plant has the exceptional nickname of poor man's rope, which alludes to its high toxicity. Other common names are Carolina jasmine, Carolina jessamine, evening trumpet flower, false jasmine, wild woodbine, yellow jessamine. Carolina jessamine has a wide natural environment all through North America, traversing the southern United States from Florida and Virginia to Texas and Arizona, as well as a lot of Central America. It's a famous decorative plant, both for its evergreen leaves and radiant yellow blossoms. In certain pieces of southern U.S., genuine yellow jasmine is frequently confused with Carolina jessamine. The most straightforward method for distinguishing these two plants is the number of stamens, size and growth. Carolina jessamine is a twining plant with slight, rosy earthy colored woody stems that regularly grow 8 to 12 feet high, yet may accomplish levels of 20 feet or more while sticking to trees and permitted to become untended. When developed without help, the plant will frame a bushy ground cover with a level of up to 3 feet, using sprinters to spread. The development will in general be moderate until it's deep-rooted. Flowering and fragrance. The principal show happens between February and April when the plant produces clusters of yellow trumpet molded blossoms, some of which might have an orange community. The blossoms are roughly 1.2 inches long and have a pleasant fragrance that draws in different pollinators. Light and temperature. Carolina jasmine favors full sun, however will endure light shade. The plant is adequately strong to make it wind open-minded and can handle both cold and brief episodes of intensity. It in all actuality does well in USDA solidness zone 7 to 10. Watering and feeding. This plant requires moderate watering to keep the soil wet. As it has a taproot, it can withstand brief times of the dry season. A decent palm plant food will make all the difference when used 2 to multiple times during the developing season. Soil and transplanting. While Carolina jessamine favors rich, natural soil, it can handle a moderate scope of soil types and conditions. Everything from mud to sandy soils will work, particularly those which are loamy in nature. Grooming and maintenance. This plant is very low maintenance, despite the fact that it will spread endlessly whenever left untended for extensive stretches of time. You might shape the plant by pruning in late winter, as well as using flexible connections to prepare the plant.